Thank you.
Congressman Kid Peña, yung institution ng family natin sa Pilipinas matagal nang nag-collapse dahil sa dami ng irresponsable at pagmamaltrato sa marriage. Yung fatherless homes is already an epidemic, and a lot of abusers use the privilege of getting married without wanting to fulfill healthy marital obligations. Divorce law can alleviate and punish lawbreakers, which is which are marriage abusers. If most Pinoys are afraid of divorce, then most Pinoys will avoid the divorce if there's a divorce law in place. And it is highly sustainable because it will be both, it's a privilege that can be taken away from you if you abuse the marriage. Uh, Sana sa divorce law, mas mababawasan na yung broken homes. Kasi yung mindset ng pagiging abusado is anytime pwedeng tanggalin sa kanila yung privilege ng pagiging kasal dahil hindi sila nagpakatino. If my husband chose not to love me, please give me a choice to divorce him.